तो बच्चों अब हम बात करेंगे कि ट्रांसपोज ऑफ ए मैट्रिक्स क्या होता है, यानी कि परिवर्त आव्यूह क्या होता है और इसे हम कैसे फाइंड कर सकते हैं। तो लेट A इक्वल टू Aij is a m cross n matrix, right? And if we convert the number of rows into the column, so we get a new matrix, and this is called the transpose, means परिवर्त आव्यूह or transpose matrix. It is denoted by A dash or A of t. So it becomes Aij and order will be n cross m. This is called the transpose matrix. For example, I am taking here, suppose A equal to 1, 2, 3, 1 minus 1, 2, 2, 1 and 0, right? So we have to find the its transpose AT or A dash. So now convert all the rows one by one into the column. So we get 1, 2, 3, converting the first row as a first column and second row as a second column, 1 minus 1 and 2, and third row 2, 1, 0 as a third column. So we get the transpose of a matrix. And here one property, remember that transpose of A and again taking its transpose we get the matrix A. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं, यदि जो हमारा AT है इसका हम फिर से ट्रांसपोज लेंगे तो हमें जो मैट्रिक्स A है वापस वो मिल जाएगा. सो A डबल डैश इज आल्सो A. सो दिस इज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ट्रांसपोज मैट्रिक्स एंड यू कैन इजीली फाइंड ट्रांसपोज ऑफ एनी मैट्रिक्स बाय चेंजिंग rows into the columns. And now after that we will discuss about the symmetric and schizo-symmetric matrices. It is very important matrices. Now see that first we will discuss about the symmetric matrix. Let A equal to Aij is a square matrix, so its order is m cross m, and if we will find the its transpose or A dash or AT and it is also equal to A, right? Then A is called symmetric matrix, right? For example, I am taking here one example of the symmetric matrix. A equal to, take here 1, 2 and 3, and here root 3 and also here root 3 and here minus 1 and here minus 1 and here 0 and here 0. Now see that if we will find its transpose A dash, so what will we get? Convert this row as a column, first column 1 root 3 minus 1, okay, and convert also the second row in the second column, so we get root 3 2 and 0, and also convert the third row in the third column, so minus 1 0 and 3. You can see that it is also equal to the matrix A. Our A is this 1 root 3 minus 1 root 3 2 0 and minus 1 and 0 and 3. So this is the A dash equal to A. So our matrix A is called symmetric matrix. Okay, so this is the concept of symmetric matrix. And also we will discuss about the schizo-symmetric matrix. So here let A equal to Aij m cross m is a square matrix, right? And if the transpose of a matrix is equal to minus of A, then A is called schizo-symmetric matrix, right? Now example of a schizo-symmetric matrix is A equal to, let the elements are 0 0 of the principal diagonal and remaining elements are 1, here minus 1, here 2 and here minus 2 and here minus 1 also and here also minus 1. Now if we will find the transpose of this matrix, so we get 0 1 2 and minus 1 0 minus 1 and minus 2 minus 1 and 0. And now take the minuses common in this matrix, so we get 0 1 2 minus 1 0 and 1 and minus 2, 1 and 0. So it is also equal to the A. Clearly it is equal to the A. So we can say that here A dash equal to minus of A. So A dash is a skew symmetric matrix, right? So this is the concept of symmetric and symmetric matrices. And after that we will see that how we can express a square matrix into the sum of symmetric and symmetric matrices. And dear student, here a very important note based on the symmetric and symmetric matrices and how we can express a square matrix into sum of two symmetric and non-symmetric matrices. So now see here, the first one is, if A is a square matrix, then the first one is A plus A dash by 2 is a symmetric matrix. Remember that. It is very important property of a symmetric matrix. And now second one is A minus A dash by 2 is always symmetric matrix. Remember that. And now third one is we can express any square matrix as sum of symmetric and symmetric matrices. So if A is a square matrix, so we can express this as a sum of symmetric, means A plus A dash by 2, and plus A minus A dash by 2 means sum of symmetric and symmetric matrices. So this is very important property, and based on these three notes there are so many questions of the symmetric and symmetric matrices. So I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, so don't forget to like this video and also subscribe our YouTube channel for more timely video updates and live streaming by Shukla Maths Academy, Jabalpur. So thank you so much.